Welcome back to my channel once again. Are you coming for the first time? If this is your first time coming to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and follow us on Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Snapchat, and other social media channels. Thanks for coming. Now we are on equality of sorts. Find the square root of 28 minus 10 root 3. How do we do this? Let the square root of 28 minus 10 root 3 be root A minus root B. The next step is to scale both sides. Scaling both sides, we remove the square root here, and you'll be left with 28 minus 10 root 3. And then scaling this place, you have the square of root A minus root B. So you need to expand that bracket. Scaling this bracket, you scale root A, you scale root B. This gives you A, and this gives you positive B. And if you multiply root A by minus root B, that gives you minus root AB. Then multiplied by 2, that gives you minus 2 root AB. So the expansion is A minus 2 root AB plus B. Now isolating radicals. We'll be having A plus B equals 28, forming equation 1. And minus 2 root AB equals minus 10 root 3, forming equation 2. Now simplifying the second equation here, we need to divide both sides by minus 2. Minus 2 will cancel itself, and minus 2 cancels minus 10, giving us 5. And then the next thing will be to scale both sides again, giving us root AB equals 5 root 3. And the next step is to scale both sides. If you scale the left-hand side, you get AB. The scale will remove the square root. And if you scale the right-hand side, the scale of 5 is 25, and the scale of root 3 is 3. How do we get 75? When we scale the right-hand side, the scale of 5 gives us 25, scale of root 3 gives us 3. Gives us 3. And 3 times 25 gives us 75. Now we are going to solve the equations simultaneously. Now what will be true for this equation, that is equation 2 and equation 1, will be 3 and 25. 3 times 25 gives us 75, or 5 and let's say 3 and 25, that's the same, that's the only thing that can be true. If you add the numbers together, that gives you 28. 3 plus 25 gives you 28, and then 3 times 25 gives you 75. So that means the square root of 28 minus 10 root 3 will give you root 25 minus root 3. Now the square root of 28 minus 10 root 3 will be root 25 minus root 3. And then that will be 5 minus root 3.